So I have about 3 questions of. Let us out. So the first problem is limit as x approaches 16 square root x minus 4 x minus 16. So let us solve it. So let us check the easiest way to solve this. The easiest way. 16, if you substitute it, we get 0 over 0. So this becomes 0 over 0. So direct substitution will not work. So we use L'Hopital rule. X power half minus 4, okay, divided by x minus 16. Okay, so L'Hopital rule stated if you have to use it, you need to be familiar with derivative. You need to differentiate top and bottom, or up and down, of the function given to you. So now let us apply that here. Limit. We are using L'Hopital rule. We are applying this L'Hopital rule, okay? It is like a French word. Well, the guy who used this formula is from France. Okay, he's a scientist from France. Okay, so x power 16. So if you differentiate this, how much you will get? If you know chain rule, you just bring the half down, 1 half x power negative half, because subtract 1 from the power is negative half, and then the derivative of x is 1, so it makes no difference. Derivative of 16, negative 16 is 0, the derivative of negative 4 is 0, because derivative of a constant is 0. So what you will do now, you just say equals to half, open bracket 16 power negative half. So this will be equals to, so let me use the calculator, 0.5 open bracket power negative 0.5 1 over 8. So this become 1 over 8. Okay, as easy as that, very easy. Let us continue on number 2. So a limit as x approaches 0 sine x sine 3x over sine 5x. Okay, how do you solve this? Can you substitute directly? If you substitute directly, you will get 0 over 0, because sine 0 is 0 and cosine 0 is 1, so direct substitution will not work. So what else can we do? So what we'll do is we'll just bring this 3 and this 5, we bring it before the limit, so we have 3 over 5, and now limit as x approaches 0, then we have sine x divided by sine x. So sine x divided by sine x is 1, so 3 over 5 multiply by 1. So the answer is 3 over 5. As easy as that. Finish. Well, if you use L'Hopital rule, you will end up getting the same answer also. So I don't want to use the L'Hopital rule because it consumes more time. So it's better to apply this. This is a method that you can apply to solve this problem. You just need to isolate the 3 over 5, bring it before the limit, and divide the sine x over sine x, so it becomes 1, and take that 3 over 5, multiply by 1, so the final answer is 3 over 5. As easy as that. Okay, so what is the last question? Number 3. Question 3, we'll solve it here. Number 3. Limit as x approaches 0, x square minus x, okay, x square plus x minus 2. So this one also, if you substitute directly, it will be 0 over 0. Because I told you in calculus, if you are dealing with limit, the first step that you need to do, you need to substitute. Because sometimes you just substitute and get the answer directly. So if you are lucky, you can get those kind of questions. But it's very rare for an exam for them to give you such kind of questions. So they need you to know your algebra. Okay, so if you know algebra, this one is easy for you to factorize. So here is 1. So let's take two numbers. When you multiply them and get negative 2, and if you add them, you get x. Okay, minus 2. So the numbers that can go into minus 2 is 2 multiplied by negative 1. Okay, so we'll apply this. Okay, so we know 2 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 2. 2 minus 1 is x, 1. So limit as x approaches 0. So we are using open bracket so we'll use this 2 and negative 1. So put x here, put x here. So plus 2 is here. So plus 2, and here is negative 1. Okay. So how do you factorize this? X square minus x. If you know difference of 2 square, difference of 2 square is this one, a minus b, a plus b. Okay, so here we can since x is a common factor, so we can factorize this. Let's bring x outside. X minus 1. So I just factor x out. So this cancel this one. Okay, so I'm left with this cancel this. 0 plus 2 0 plus 2 divided by so can I put let me factorize this also. I want to factor out this. So limit as x approaches 0, okay, as x approaches 0, this is 0, I put 1 here, sorry, I put x outside, x, this is 1, no, it didn't work out. This is x and this is x plus 2, okay, 0 plus 2, that's 2. So let me check if this limit exists. X square minus, as x approaches, so I made the mistakes here. Here should be 1. Here should be 1. This side is 1. That's why we find it very hard to get the answer. I made a mistake copying the question. So here is 1. Here is 1. Okay. So now 1 plus 1 is 3. So the final answer will be 3. Okay, this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Share my video. You can make comments also. If you need any topic that you don't understand, feel free to comment so that I can make next video.